ran track in college though.
Okay, obviously this is stupid. You understand this. You didn't go, oh, we got to meet on Friday. I think on Thursday I'll stretch out a little bit, get limber, jump some rope, run around a little bit and get ready for the meet on Friday. No, man, you were running Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Actors practice. Athletes practice, musicians practice, actors don't practice. You know what I mean? If we have an audition on tape, we're like, oh, better get ready. No, man, no, you should have been getting ready 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. So what I do at the Acting Career Expert Studio is I have self-tape exercises that everyone does, and each week we go over them and we tweak them. Here's how you can do better. We have other exercises, self-tape exercises. We have practice scripts. We have all these things that we're constantly doing so that when we get the call, and it sounds like you've got a lot of auditions anyway, but when we do get that call, we've been practicing all week. It's not like I haven't been practicing because I don't have an audition. Yeah, you're working on the self-tape exercise that you're going to turn in and post on the site. And then we're all going to look at it and I'm going to say, here's what I would do different. And we're going to fine tune that to the best it can possibly be, because the competition is so stiff that, like I said, any little reason, it's like, whoop, out. But again, 50 workshops, terminology videos. Anyway, take a look. You can do it on your own time. You can do it from anywhere. We have people on the East Coast, West Coast, all over Texas, all over the place. It's something that will keep it'll keep you exercising that muscle. So when you do have the audition, also, if you have an audition that's due, you can post it and I'll take a look at it and we can tweak it before you turn it in, which is helpful. You get that second set of eyes going, ooh, I like this, but I would do this just a little different. So we can fine tune it and put your best foot forward, try to give you an unfair advantage against everybody else. So what I would do is if you had something, you say, oh, it's due on Wednesday and it was Tuesday, you're like, I'm going to bang this out this afternoon. You write me and say, hey, I got this audition. I'm going to put it up. Let me know what you think. I would look at it and then I would write you back, or we'd figure out a way. And I go, here's what I do different. I would tweak this, this, and this, and you can tweak it, put it up, and I go, bang, send that one in, and that will help you with your auditions. And so, like I said, if I'm available, if I'm not, coaching or auditioning or whatever the case may be. But I've helped a couple people like that and tweak their thing. I have one guy who called me up. I've known this guy for years. We were in class together, but he's part of the group. He called me up and he said, I got a Zoom callback for Reacher, the show Reacher. He goes, I got a Zoom callback. I've had Zoom auditions. I've never had a Zoom callback. What do I do? So I got on the phone with him. I said, here's what you do, Roberto. You do this, 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 and this. And, I took a lot more time with him than I usually do, but I talked to him for like 45 minutes, got him ready. He got ready for it. Bang, did the Zoom callback, series regular on Reacher about a month later. He's just got back from Canada shooting season 3. So, any help you can get with these auditions, is good, but you have to have a good base and you have to have a good awareness of what's good and what's not good. And I think you do. I've seen your work.